Hi, welcome back for the session 2, logical gates. In previous session, we discussed about some logical gate definition as well as basic gates and also one derived gate, that is NAND gate. So all these things we discussed in the previous session. So in this session, now we are coming to know this is another one derived gate, that is logical NOR gate, exclusive gates and also universal gates, that should be how to write with the help of the basic gates. So this will be the this session. So if I come into the second derived gate, that is logical NOR gate. As I said the definition in previous logical NAND gate, the same definition here also. The NOR gate is also accepting one or more inputs, producing a single signal. NOR gate accepting one or more signals, producing a single output signal. So that is what we called as a NOR gate. NOR gate is in a combination of OR with NOT. Combination of OR with NOT, that is what we called as NOR gate. Just now I will write the symbolic representation how this NOR gate should be represented. See, the NOR gate with the one bubble, X and Y are the two inputs. NOR is a gate name. If it is X and Y are the two inputs for this NOR gate, X plus Y whole bar. X plus Y whole bar. If you know the operation of OR, that is plus. That's why this combination of NOT with OR, that's why X plus Y whole bar. How this result will come? I will show you with one more diagram. First I will write the one OR gate diagram, that for the same two inputs for the simple logical OR gate, X and Y are the two inputs OR gate, X plus Y will be the result, right? Then considering this output as an input for the NOT gate, then this result will become X plus Y whole bar. So this is why combination of OR with NOT, that is what we called as NOT. Combination of OR with NOT, that is what we called as NOT. So this is what we called as a symbolic representation of the NOR gate. Now I will write some truth table for the logical NOR gate. X and Y are the two inputs now we are giving. X plus Y will be the result of OR gate, and I will complement this result with the help of NOT gate. That's why X plus Y whole bar will be the result. 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 and 1 will be the inputs for this particular truth table. Then as you know in OR gate how we will add, so same operation here also. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, that is 1. How that logical NAND gate is in a complement of AND gate, here also same. Logical NOR gate is in a complement of OR gate. Logical NOR gate is in a complement of logical OR gate. So now we will complement these inputs. So 0 complemented 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 means 0, 1, 0 and 1 is 0. See here, that's why the complement of OR gate is NOR gate. How we will explain this truth table with the help of true and false statement, or high or low, or 1 with 0. See, whenever both inputs are 0, then only the result is high. Then only the result is 1. In all other cases, the result is 0. Whenever both inputs are 0, then only the result is 1. In all other cases, the result is, that is 0 only. So this is what we call as a truth table representation for the logical NOR gate. Definition, symbolic representations, and also truth table. Now I am going to one more concept, that is exclusive gates. So if I coming to the exclusive gates, so as the definition says, these kinds of the gates are differ from basic and derived gates. These are all some different gates. Exclusive gates, that's why the name is called as exclusive gates. In these we have the two categories. One is XOR and second one is XNOR. XOR and XNOR are the two exclusive gates we have. For these two gates, there is different inputs and different outputs we will get based on some criteria. What is that criteria for these exclusive gates? That's why the name of these gates are called as exclusive. Now we are coming to know that's the first gate, that is exclusive gates. Then you will get some idea why we will call these gates are called as exclusive. If I coming to the exclusive OR gate, one thing you should remember, this is a different from OR gate. This is different from OR gate. Then how to represent this XOR gate? What is its symbolic representation? What is its truth table? What's its definition? So before going to that symbolic representation, the definition of the XOR gate is like this. XOR gate accepts two or more inputs, produces a single output. XOR gates accepts two or more input signals, produces single output signal. But XOR gate produces high, means 1. The result is whenever the input are add numbers of ones. Add numbers of ones, then only the result of the XOR gate is 1. Rest of all inputs, that is 0 only. I will show with diagram with truth table. Then you should know about how we are writing that truth table. Let us first I will show you what is the symbolic representation of XOR gate. So this will be the representation. Slightly different from basic and derived gates. Looks like an OR gate, but not an OR gate. X and Y are the two inputs. X Y will be the exclusive OR gate representation. Okay, so this will be the representation of XOR gate. So for these two inputs X and Y, X exclusive, Y will be the result. Then as I said, the definition of this definition of exclusive OR gate, it will produce only high whenever both the inputs are add numbers of ones. For these two inputs, I will write one truth table. X and Y. X exclusive Y. See, 0 0, same combination of inputs, 0 and 1, 1 0, 1 and 1. Yes. Now I will write the result of exclusive gates. Exclusive, as I said the definition, whenever the input is add number of ones. See here, in these two input there is no 1. hence the result is 0 only. In the next input 0 and 1, yes, of course 1 is there, even this 1 is also add number because the 1 is here add number of 1. So 1, hence the result is 1. Here also same, add number of 1 because in both two inputs only one is there. So add number of 1, here also the result is 1. But here even number of ones are there. Two ones are there. Even numbers of ones are there. In this case also the result is 0 only. So this is what we called as exclusive OR gate. Whenever the add numbers of ones, there only the result is 1. In next of all other cases, the result is low or result is 0 only. So this is what we call as exclusive OR gate. Hence, this is why these types of the gates are called as exclusive. Remember the truth table, it's somewhat interesting and also somewhat different from the previous truth tables. Whenever add numbers of ones are there only the result is 1. In all other rest of the cases, the result is 0. Then if I coming to the next one more exclusive gate, that is exclusive NOR gate. So you know the exclusive OR gate. Then if you coming to the exclusive NOR gate, simply we will say like this: the exclusive NOR gate is a complemented of XOR gate. I will show you with the diagram and truth table how that is complemented with XOR. So next concept is exclusive NOR gate. Yes, if I come into the second exclusive gate, that is XNOR, as I said, this is the complementation of XOR gate. How? See here, XNOR gate also accepting two or more input signals and producing a single output signal. But actual truth table definition for the XNOR gate is whenever both input signals are same, whenever both input signals are same, then only the result is 1. Means both input signals are same means either 0 0 or 1 1. That condition only the result is 1. Then next other case 0 1 and 1 0 combination, the result is 0. That is what we called as XNOR. I will show you the symbolic representation for the XNOR. The same looks like an XOR but with a slight difference. This is XNOR. For these two inputs X and Y, X exclusive Y, X exclusive Y whole bar. So this will be the result, symbolic representation of exclusive NOR gate. And now I will write the truth table for the exclusive NOR gate. Then it's coming to know how this definition matches. See, X and Y are the two inputs. X exclusive Y whole bar will be the result. Or you can write by dividing first exclusive R and A naught, then complemented. We have a chance, but no need. Directly we have chance to write 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. See here. As the definition says of XNOR gate will produce us 1 where both inputs are same. See here, in this truth table, both inputs are same means for this condition and also this condition. Either 0 0 or 1 1. For this condition, the result is 1 and rest of other cases, the result is 0. Correct? So this will be the truth table explanation for the exclusive NOR gate. When both inputs are same, then the result is 1, in otherwise the result is 0. exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. So this will be the derived gates. Now we are coming to one more interesting topic, how these two universal gates NAND and NOR gates we have a chance to write with the help of basic gates by only the universal gates. So that will be the next concept, and based on this, so many times for your examination they asked this question, that is realize and or not with NAND only, realize and or not with NOT only. So that questions will get for the 3 marks. So that will be the next concept. Universal gates are the gates which are designed by the basic gates. So which are designed by the basic gates means that are designed by AND or NOT. So by using all these 3 gates, if any gates are designed means that gates are what we called as, that is universal gates. In these universal gates we have the 2 categories. One is, as I said earlier, that is NAND and NOR. NAND and NOR are the 2 universal gates. We have a chance to redesign these AND or NOT with the help of NAND only, with the help of NOR only. This is what we call as realization. Now I will show you how to realize basic gates with the universal gates. The first one is realization of AND or NOT with the NAND only. So, realization of AND or NOT using the NAND only. You will get 1 3 marks question based on this concept. See how now I will show you how to write the AND applications and results with the help of NAND only. You know, in right side I can write better. AND means the result should be for x and y input, that is x into y. For OR means that is x plus y. For NOT means that is inverse 1 over x or x bar. So like this we will get the results. So how to write this AND application with the help of NAND only. So this is the realization. I am considering the 2 inputs for one NAND gate. See, now I am writing one NAND gate. I am given the 2 inputs x and y, and the result of this gate is x into y whole bar. Right? X into y whole bar. But now I need the result for AND gate. Means now I need the result for x into y. How to write this x into y? With the help of this NAND gate. See, now I want to remove this complement. Now I want to remove this bar. Then what we have to do? We have a chance. With the help of again NOT gate. Yes, I have a chance to write this NAND gate into its complemented value by applying once again the NAND gate. Then the result is, that should be the AND gate result we will get. See, and I am considering this output as an input for one NAND gate. I am circuiting and convert that input into the single output, one more NAND gate. That should be, the result is x into y. The result is x into y. How this x into y whole bar will become x into y? Because if any two inputs are complemented result, once again if I complement, then we will get the basic value. As we learned in the previous chapter, Boolean algebra, that if you remember the law, if the twice complements, if any variable, if the twice complements, cancel that complemented value, that should be a basic value, that is what we call as x. Based on this, based on the NOT gate, if once the complemented result, one more if you are complement, then you will get the same the inputs what we are given. See now, the x into y, the only with the help of NAND gate only, now I have a chance to write the AND gate application result, that is x into y. So this is what we call as realization of AND with NAND only. So now I will coming to the next one more concept, that is realization of, that is NAND as a NOR. NAND as NOR. Sorry, NAND as OR. NAND as OR. So first I will write like this, considering an input with the one NAND gate, that means x, this means x and x, that we are circuiting, that meaning is x to x, that is NAND, considering one more NAND gate, that is y, that means y and y. The result of this gate, just I will write here, x whole bar, y into y whole bar. Then, now I am combining these two gates into one more gate, that is NAND. Now the NAND as OR. Now I need a result, that is x plus y. Right? Now I want a result, that is x plus y. See here, this will be the result. The input of this NAND gate is, that is x into x whole bar. Then second one is y into y whole bar. Then what will be the result? That is x into x single bar into y single bar, that should be, then that here the complemented results whole double bar, right? Complemented output. So that is what we call as x y into y whole bar and x into x y whole bar. So this will be the result you will get. Then if I write like this, x into x, that should be x only, that is y into y only, that is for just reference I wrote x plus y. So this is what we call as a realization of OR with NAND only. Then after this, now I will coming to one more, that is realization of NAND with NOT, NAND as a NOT. See, NAND as NOT, it's very simple. Just one NOT gate symbol. NAND. That means, it means x into x whole bar, that is equals to x bar. So NAND as in a NOT also. So this is what we call as realization of AND, OR and NOT with NAND only. Now we are going to one more concept, that is realization of AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate with NOR only. Then realization of NOR as an AND. Just I will write the diagram. second NOR gate. X and Y are the two inputs. Now I will considering these two outputs as in a one more input for the third NOR gate. Better you write inside that gate the name of the gate, that is NOR. Then the result that means y into y is into x. Here x plus x whole bar, sorry, x plus x. Here y plus y whole bar. Then the result is x plus x single bar. Then plus y single bar, that is, this will be the result. But now I need, that is, a NOR as an AND means that should be in x into y format. Then how to convert this? Then the one bar will be cancels. Then the remaining two expression, that is equals to x plus y whole bar. But I need, that is as an a NAND gate, that should be in the form of x into y. X plus y whole bar, that should be is equals to x into y. So this will be the realization of NOR gate as an AND gate. Yes, in previous you know, that is in x plus y, that should be, as we have a chance to write x into y. Based on that theorem, that realization x plus y whole bar is equals to x into y. This is NOR as an AND. Next one, NOR as OR, that is two inputs for one NOR gate. X and y are the two inputs. X plus y whole bar will be the result. But now I want, that is x plus y only, but the result is x plus y whole bar. Now I am once again I complemented, considering one more NOR gate, that is x plus y. So this is what we call as how this gate will come. X plus y, once the complemented result, twice the same complement, double bar is equals to cancel, then that is equals to x plus y based on this theorem. So this is what we call as realization of NOR with the OR, or NOR as an OR. And third one, that is NOR as NOT gate. It's very simple. Then x bar. So this will be the realization of NOR as a NOT. So this is what we call as realizations by using universal gates NAND and NOR. We have a chance to realize these three basic gates. So very important concepts, because for your examination so many times the repeated question, realizations question. So be practice on this particular topic. And in this next topic, one problem I will show you. They will give some expression and how to convert that expression into logical diagrams. Then that should be the last topic in this chapter. So let us discuss one expression example. Yes, this will be the one more topic in this chapter. They will give some expression. See, the question will be like this. Draw a logic circuit diagram for the following expression. They will give some expression that should be in the forms of two inputs, three input signals, or four input signals. For this expression, we have to write a symbolic logical diagrams. Then that should be expressions will be fulfilled. So for this example, the two questions they given, that is first one, that is equals to y is equals to AB plus B bar C plus C bar A will be the first expression, and the second one, y is equals to x bar y plus yz plus z x. So this will be the second expression they given. I will show you one expression. It's the same. Apply the same rule, and you practice for the second expression. For the first expression, the result is. See, the question is like this. They will give the expression that is in the form of y is equals to the. It is a 3 input expression because 3 variables are there. You check a, b, and c. 3 variables are there. And for this expression, that should be the you divide that expressions into 3 segments. The first expression, that is a into b. Consider this a into b. A into b. Into means as per a logical diagram. A into b. Which gate we have to write? Into means always AND gate. So now I will consider for a into b. A and b are the 2 inputs. Then logical AND gate. Then the result is logical AND gate. Then the result is a into b. The first part of that expression is over. Then if you coming to the second expression, in between these two expressions, that is plus is there. Later I will conclude that combining the expressions with the OR expression. But second expression is b bar c. So b bar c means again for the 2 inputs. Consider once again for the AND gate. For b, the input is b bar. That's why first I will consider that is a b, and I will convert this b into b bar by applying one NOT gate. Then this input will becomes the b bar. Then the second input is c. Hence the result is b bar c. And the third one is like that same c bar a. First c converted into c bar. And a, the same result, and c bar a. This will be the result. Now I will just combine all these 3 inputs, 3 outputs into one input. For in between all the expression, plus symbol is there. Plus symbol means that is logical OR. So that's why I will combine and write that expression, that is logical OR. Then expression y you will get, that is equals to ab plus b bar c plus c bar a. So this will be the result of this expression. Like that you will get so many expressions in your textbook. Write down all the expressions for the practice and write these diagrams like this. You may get 1 3 marks question based on this topic also. So this will be the conclusions of the chapter number 3, logical gates. Based on this, now I will forward you some questions regarding important questions regarding logical gates, and practice and write the keynotes for this chapter. Thank you.